Here we are, dear viewers. I've not seen one of these before. Well, given where I live. This is a Class 350 electric. The London North Western Railway. It should be running out the station very shortly. Just a minute. Here she goes, hopefully. Waiting for a few stragglers. Sharing the platform. We're sharing the platform with an Avanti West Coast heading for London Euston. That's the sunny end of it. Looks like we might have movement. Oh no, still one door open. I've seen a lot of these predecessors going for scrap. I don't know if the motor's burnt out on them or what, but sorry, this is a bit of a wait and see at the minute. I've already had to pause the video twice. We should have arrived early. Well, he's got a green light and a clear junction, a clear track rather. Here we go. Let's see how she powers up. Yeah, these sound very different from the 323s. And away she goes. See you in the next one. Hello, for now.